Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston, and as we approach the Christmas season, the vending in downtown Kingston is usually gets worse on the streets. There are some cases where vendors block off the street and cars cannot drive on the street because people are selling and blocking the street. So the police and the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation plan to clamp down on illegal vending in the city of Kingston. Now, today is a Sunday, so you're not going to see the level of vending that usually takes place down here. But we're just going to drive around and give you a quick view. I mean, now in some cases you don't have a sidewalk to walk on. We'll come back during closer to Christmas and you see and give you an update. But let's just tell you what the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation and the police plan to do. So all those stalls that you see there on the left and the right, those are where the vendors are. The Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation and the Jamaica Constabulary Force have embarked on a strict enforcement drive to regulate vending and establish order in downtown Kingston as the busy Christmas season approaches. Now, a meeting was held with the vendors at the head office for the KSMAC, and they were informed of certain changes going forward. Also, the police met with the vendors and explained to them that they're going to be putting in some strict measures starting before the Christmas season. Now, usually, a few days before Christmas, they allow additional vending in certain areas. But the problem is when you allow things to get out of hand, in no time the road is blocked and certain roads you can't drive on because people are selling. Now you have markets like where we just drove a while ago. That is one of the markets. On the left coming up is another market. But people don't want to go in the markets and sell. They rather go on the roadside, like over here on the right now. You can see some vendors. And in no time they take over the sidewalk. You can't even walk on the sidewalk. And eventually they end up in the road. And you can't drive on some of the roads. So it's a serious problem. And a lot of times when the police come, you see people pack up the things and running away from the police because they're not supposed to be where they are selling. But I guess they get better sales on the sidewalk because people don't have to come out of their car and park and go into the market. And of course, security is a serious problem. So this is the parade area now. So we'll keep you guys updated. But like Orange Street now, Orange Street is one of the roads that are infamous for vending. And so the police are going to be allowing vending on the left side of the road, starting from the Bashka all the way to the last store on Orange Street at the intersection with Beckford Street. They are going to have available spots for people to vend. But on the right side of the road now, they'll have no vending. So it will be for the police to enforce that. So it makes sense. Have the vendors on the left. They're going to block the sidewalk. So on the right, you can allow people to walk and move freely. So we'll keep you guys updated. But this is a good move because you have to maintain law and order in the city. And the city of Kingston is a very busy place. Now, downtown Kingston, you have the commercial part where you find the offices, and you don't have a lot of vending there. But closer to the parade area now, you have a lot of vending. Princess Street, Orange Street, and that's where the vending can get out of hand. And then further in the city, you have the residential areas. So we'll keep you guys updated as to what's going on. But it's good that the police have started to enforce the vending laws downtown, because you have vending areas and you have non-vending areas. All right, guys, let us know what you think, and you can give us your experiences of traveling downtown and the vendors blocking off the road or the sidewalks. All right, guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.